Hey guys, today I'm back with these Moroccan tile inspired nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting my nails with this light orange yellow almost, and then I applied some liquid latex around my cuticles, and then using a latex free makeup sponge I applied that base colour, a light orange and a pink to the sponge to create a gradient. And I just did 2 coats of that to absorb the polish into the sponge, and then just lightly dab that on my nail in a sideways and up and down motion to get a soft blend. And here I am just repeating, layering up that polish on a sponge and dabbing it back on my nails. And then once I was happy with the gradient, I just peeled off that liquid latex while it was still wet and went back in with a brush and acetone to clean my cuticles. Now with my Moyu London Arabesque plate and a gold stamping polish, I just stamped the tile pattern and then a smudge resistant top coat. And then after that I used a matte top coat, but I forgot to film it because I'm a moron. And there you go, these Moroccan tile nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!